If you've been following the crypto space, you know how AI and blockchain are the hottest combo right now, right? But what if you could actually build your own AI-powered assistant? One that works across social media and Web3 platforms without needing to be a tech genius. That's exactly what today's project is aiming to do, and honestly, it's pretty exciting. Let's dive into the specifics of today's subject of Crypto Radar. It's called Unstaked, and it's a decentralized platform that empowers users to create, customize, and monetize AI-powered agents. If you've ever felt the grind of repetitive digital tasks or wished you had more control over your online assets, pay close attention. Unstaked might just be the solution that you've been waiting for. Let's jump straight in. Welcome to Crypto Radar, everyone. This is the place where we dive into exciting new blockchain tech, up-and-coming projects, and as always, I give you the key factors to take into account when deciding to invest in these startups. I'm OJ, crypto analyst and investor for 10 years, and today I'm bringing to your attention Unstaked, a project that's poised to redefine how we interact with AI and automation in the Web3 era. Basically, Unstaked is a decentralized platform where anyone can create, customize, and even monetize AI agents. These agents are little digital assistants that automate tasks for you. Think marketing posts, community management, content creation, and more, all running on popular platforms like X, previous Twitter, or Telegram, or Discord, or Instagram. What makes Unstaked stand out is its focus on giving users complete control. Unlike some AI tools that keep you locked in and obscure how things work, Unstaked runs these AI agents on the blockchain. That means everything is transparent, secure, and most importantly, owned by you. This is why we love blockchain tech and why I dedicate so much of my content to it. And why should you care? Well, if you're a creator, marketer, or just someone who hates repetitive tasks, Unstaked AI agents could save you tons of time. No more manually posting updates or managing communities. Your AI agent can do that for you 24/7. And Unstaked's mission is to simplify access to these transformative technologies, empowering us, the users, to build our own AI agents or earn rewards and stake tokens in a truly user-controlled environment. In other words, they enable everyday users to create, own, and control smart agents that actively drive productivity, enhance engagement, and unlock new monetization avenues. And all of that is done in a decentralized, transparent ecosystem. This isn't about exclusivity, exclusive access. It's about putting powerful tools in the hands of the many. But it's not just about convenience. The platform tackles some big issues in the AI and crypto worlds. Lack of transparency, centralized control, and unfair token launches. Unstaked's fair launch technology ensures everyone gets a fair shot at participating in the token sale. No insider deals or whales hogging all the tokens, which I really like. And to go into more details about their suite of features, we're talking about AI-powered agents with real utility. These are designed to automate practical tasks across various platforms, like I already mentioned, X, Telegram, Discord, Instagram. Think automated social media posting, community moderating, content curation, customer support, and even personalized marketing campaigns. The direct utility is what sets them apart from abstract AI concepts, and we've seen many. And then there is the complete customization and control. Unlike rigid AI solutions, Unstaked empowers you to define precisely how your agents behave, what they do, what tasks they're going to handle, how they evolve, how they interact. This level of granular control means that your agents work for you, exactly as you intend, making them powerful expansions of your digital strategy. All Unstaked agents run on-chain. And why is this a big deal? Well, it ensures transparency in their operations, verifiable ownership of your agents, and enhanced security against tampering or censorship. Your digital assets, your agents, are secured by the immutable power of the blockchain. Direct monetization tools are a game changer for creators and businesses, and Unstaked provides tools to tokenize, to upgrade and directly earn from your AI agents using their native UNSD token. This opens up entirely new revenue streams for automated services that you create. And fair launch technology is perhaps one of the Unstaked's most compelling USPs. In a market often criticized for unfair token distribution, Unstake leverages public smart contracts to power its token sales. This ensures trust by design, providing an equal opportunity for everyone to participate without insider deals or early whale advantages. It's a fundamental commitment to decentralization and equitable success. Decentralized governance means that our voices matter. UNSD token holders have the power to vote on product changes and roadmap decisions, ensuring the platform evolves in a way that is truly serving the community. And this isn't just a buzzword, it's an active mechanism for user control that many successful crypto startups apply nowadays, and I'm glad to see it used here too. Okay, now a little more about the native token. The symbol is UNSD. And this is the lifeblood of the Unstaked ecosystem. You need it to create and upgrade your AI agents, to access premium features, and to vote on important platform decisions. So, it's not just a speculative asset. It's your ticket to being part of a community that actually shapes the future of the platform. And you will use it to bring your AI agents to life and tailor them to your specific needs. It is central to trading, upgrading and earning from your AI agents, plus it gives you governance voting rights, as I explained already. Now here is a quick snapshot of the tokenomics. There are 6 billion UNSD tokens in total, and the pre-sale price is currently around 1 cent to the dollar. The team aims for a launch price near 18 cents, which means early buyers could see some serious upside if everything goes according to plan. And I don't see any reason why it shouldn't. We're looking at a 17x return from today's price. The pre-sale is in several rounds, so with every next round the price goes up a little, but not so much that it would wipe out your returns. Either way, it's always best to get them as cheap as possible, so do your due diligence today and try to get in as early as possible. I provided some links in the description below that are relevant for this and to enhance your research. So all in all, Unstaked is one of those projects that feels like it's hitting all the right notes for me. Automation, decentralization, fair access and community control. If you're curious about how AI can supercharge your Web3 experience, or if you want to get in early on a platform that's more than just hype, Unstaked deserves a closer look, I think. I like that Unstaked directly addresses some of the most frustrating challenges faced by creators like me. For instance, the repetitive workload trap. We've all been there, spending countless hours on manual, repetitive tasks, especially in marketing. Content creation as well. Unstaked aims to automate these pain points, freeing up valuable time and resources for us. Second, the black box of traditional AI. And what I mean is that many AI tools operate as opaque systems, leaving us with little understanding or control over how they function or use our data. Unstaked flips this script by giving us full control and undeniable ownership of our AI agents. And third, centralized gatekeeping and profit hoarding, another issue. Traditional platforms often act as gatekeepers, hoarding profits or data while dictating terms. Unstaked is designed to be decentralized, putting users firmly in charge of their agents and their earnings, and in fact, in the governance of the platform itself. And last but not least, the dangers of unfair launches. That's another issue it tackles. In the crypto world, we've often seen token launches skewed by insider deals or early whale access, leaving retail investors at a disadvantage. Unstaked tackles this head-on with its fair launch technology, ensuring everyone gets an equal opportunity from day one a massive differentiating factor. The pre-sale, as I said, is already ongoing, and let me show you what you need to do. Basically, you will come here to this page. You can grab the link from the description below. That will send you here to that page, and you have to connect your wallet. In my case, I'm using MetaMask. You have quite a choice here. You can also use Trust or Binance Wallet or Coinbase Wallet Connect if you're using a hardware wallet. So let me pick MetaMask, and now I need to approve here, connect. Now, okay, so now that I'm connected, this is the overview. Here you will be able to see the total tokens that have been sold. Right now we have over 1 million already. The price, which currently in this round is 0.010743, that's cents to the dollar. This is the amount that's been raised so far. This is the current stage, which as we see is 18, and that's 86% now already has progressed from that stage. And the next stage, the price is going to be going a little bit higher, as I mentioned. Again, it's not going to be much higher, so you can still buy them at the next stage and make a very good profit. Maybe instead of 18x or 17x, it might be 16x. But quite frankly, even a 10x profit, to me, that is good enough already. And of course, I'm saying these profit numbers based on what the launch price will be. But of course, it depends on when you're going to be selling, whether you will be holding these tokens for a period of time. There is a vesting as well, so it depends on how many tokens you will be actually getting at launch and everything. So these are not fixed amounts, these are not figures, these are projected amounts, projected figures, they're not fixed. But this is what I can refer to based on the numbers that I can see here. Alright, so you will go here to overview, and then you can select to buy token, right? You can also go here to buy now, or you can click here. And by the way, as you have connected your wallet, you automatically get a referral link. So I just got this referral link because I connected my wallet now, and from here I'm going to copy this link. I will share it with you in the description below. Also, when you sign up and when you get your referral link, also you can share it with people that you know, that are in your network, that are interested in investing in cryptocurrencies. This is how we help them grow the community, and of course we get rewarded for it, commissions. So it's just a passive way to earn a little bit of crypto. It's not going to change your life, it's not going to be millions or anything like that, but every little helps, and this is going to be something decent. And just for, you know, sharing your referral link as you are buying the tokens. Now you will come here to buy token, and now I need to approve. So this is, if I want to be using the whole amount that I have here, this is what I'm going to do, and I can confirm or cancel, because I might actually want to change things around here, right? Maybe I don't want to pay with Ethereum, maybe I want to pay with BNB, because BNB chain is still cheaper in terms of transacting, and I'm personally avoiding Ethereum chain until they really drop I mean, they've already dropped the fees a lot, but with the next upgrade apparently the fees are going to get even lower. So I'm still waiting. I'm still using BNB and Solana far more than I'm using Ethereum for the last couple of years, because Ethereum was just very late with us, you know, fixing the high fees and everything like that. So here is where you can choose what you want to pay with, or if you go to other, let me see what we have here. There is Bitcoin, there is Tether on Tron, there is Casper, Doge, Shiba, Solana, Ripple, Polygon, Phantom, USDC, Cardano is even here, and Ethereum on Base. So yeah, you have quite a choice. This is how you do it, and then you select what is the amount that you want to get. You don't have to get the maximum amount of whatever is in your wallet. You can actually choose. So this right now translates to $25. This is the minimum. So, but of course, with $25, you're not going to make a lot of money, right? So I wouldn't really be buying the minimum here for $25. But I will do, for my first transaction will be for the minimum, because this will be my test. I want to see that everything connects properly to my wallet, everything is working and stuff. and then I would go and I would put another 500 or 1,000. Usually I start with a couple of thousand. I don't really play with $20 or $50 or anything like that. But it's important to do the first transaction with a small amount, and I'm happy that they allow something as little as $25, because when you're testing things, you don't want to work with a big amount. You're not going to go and dump $1,000 or $2,000 in your first go. You need to test and make sure that everything works smoothly before you go and you deposit bigger amount. So this is how it works. The pre-sale is still live. As I mentioned, you have a potential 18x upside. It's definitely catching the eye of savvy investors, and you should take a closer look. See their links in the description below, and if you choose to grab some tokens at the pre-sale, you should use my link in the description below. And good luck! For more crypto alpha every week, don't just tune in, subscribe. All my content is free, and you can also join my crypto newsletter. I send this at the start of each month, and I share deeper market analysis. I talk about the latest news and developments in the crypto space, and even discuss the tokens that I trade or hold in my portfolio. So scan this QR code or just grab the link from the description below. Well, that's all for today, but while you're here, just pick the next one, and I'll see you there.